Welcome back to Microsoft Minutes. Today, we're going to explore Translate in Word 365. Let's investigate. Translate has a wide range of languages to choose from when selecting a portion or entire document to translate. The translated document can be checked for accessibility and also downloaded as a PDF. As a best practice, ask a person who is fluent in the translated language to check the grammar in the document for any needed changes. Once you choose the language, you can switch back to the original language with a simple click of a button. Next time you need a document or portion of a document translated, check out Translate in Word 365. Stay tuned for our next episode when we will explore requesting control in a Microsoft Teams meeting.